Okay, so here we are in front of the Squire by Lance SQ805. Really cool truck camper that we've just come out with. Got the acrylic windows, nice awning out there, and then you've got your manual awning along the side here. This is a really great truck camper, so let's check it out. We got a nice kitchen here, a nice bowl sink with lots of counter space, and then your 2-burner stove, and then some nice storage up top as well. Quite deep down there, which is great, so you have lots of room to store things. Love the window over here. You can fully put that out. This is the Euro style acrylic window, so you got your blackout and your screen when this is popped out while you're sitting at the nice big U-shaped dinette. Coming to the back, we've got the fridge. So good sized fridge. I like how it's up as well, like elevated higher. And then we've got a good closet in here too. So you do have shelves, but you can take these out if you want to as well. Then you've got the east to west bed here, and you've got windows on both sides, which is fantastic for some airflow. You got the TV back here, and lots of room, and then you can have a fan as well here. So really great style of camper. Also gonna have the AC above. So the ideal dry weight with standard equipment is 1,550 pounds. So really starting to be able to get those more trucks available to haul this. So really cool to be able to do that and what they've developed here.